Hi everybody. Welcome back to Animal Kingdom Journey. Your educator is Anamika. Today I will disclose two new phylums. First one is Pisces. Second one, you guess. Okay? Let's start. This is Pisces. Pisces means normal fish. And this is Katla. Katla scientific name is Katla Katla. It is called the major Indian carp. It is also a major Indian carp. First, I tell what is the where we can find the fish. They are in generally what they are in the river. We can find rivers here, any places. What is the key features? What is the shape of the fish? It is streamline body. Streamline body means this shape is called streamline body. Middle part is broad and the end part is little bit pointed than the middle part. It is called the streamline shape. This shape helps fish to swim very easily. This next one, this body is covered by scale. Scale, it is their covering part, and some fish have some mucus. What is this mucus? Mucus is a slimy liquid which is present on the scale. It is helps the fish to protect themselves. When you catch it, the mucus comes in your hand and you can go outside. Okay. Next, fin. The locomotive organ is fin. It have some 7 types, 7 fins is there. So they have no proper limbs like legs and anything, but they're swimming in the swimming part. They can swim by the fins. Gill. Gill is their respiratory organ is gill. Means through gills it can take oxygen from the waters. Next is cold-blooded. Fish is cold-blooded. And then questions is, what is cold-blooded? What is the meaning of cold-blooded? Cold-blooded of that animals which body temperature can change when the temperature of the surrounding can change. At that time means when our surrounding temperature falls, our body temperature also falls. They are called cold-blooded animals. Next one, venous salt. What is the venous salt? It is a special character of this phylum. What is the venous salt? Venous salt is special type of heart. It has 2 chambers. One is auricles and one is ventricles. And what is the most important thing? This venous heart carry deoxygenated blood. Means in the blood is impure blood. It is quite different from human hearts. And what is their function? They take the blood and send it to the gill. Gill is a respiratory organ. Gill takes the oxygen from the water. This oxygen mixed with the blood and then it spread all over the body. In this way, they can do everything. And one more thing is, the Pisces family lay eggs. And after this egg, from the eggs, the new members come in the family. Can you guess what is the next phylum? Yes, absolutely right. It is Amphibia. What is Amphibia? Amphi means both and bias means life. Means the animals who can live both land and water is called Amphibia. Like a frog, toad, this one. This is a picture of frog, and what is the scientific name? Bufo-melanotictus. Now I tell some features of this phylum. The skin is moist and smooth, but there is no scale. When you touch it, you feeling some moist. It is cold-blooded animal. In my last phylum, I tell what is the meaning of cold-blooded. They are the same. They changes their body temperature according to the surrounding temperature. And this is the parotid gland. What is a parotid gland? In every toad or frog, there is a gland is called. It is a special type of gland. Some poisons has come through this one. And when you touch it, touch in your hand, or any animals touch, it protect themselves. Some poisonous fluid comes from this and it protect themselves. Next one, they have the limbs, means four limbs is there. Four limbs, and this is hind limbs, and four limbs is small, means front part jo limbs, it is called the four limbs. Four limbs is smaller than the hind limbs. And one more thing, it is most important. You look, all the finger join a thin membrane. I colored it by blue. This thin membrane is called web membrane. Web membrane. This membrane helps the amphibia but frog to swim in the water properly. And the next one is this heart is three chamber, means heart is not properly developed. Our human heart is properly developed. Here three chambers means two auricles and one ventricles. Auricles as a septum, left auricle and right auricle, so there is no mixture of the blood. Left is pure blood and right is impure blood. Impure blood means deoxygenated blood. That when it comes into the ventricle, that is no septum is there. So here it is mixed up. So it is not proper matured heart. And one more thing is there. When they are in the tadpole stage, they take the oxygen through the gills, and when they become the adult, at that time they take oxygen through skin and lung, both used for their respiration. They lay eggs. If you like my channel, please subscribe my channel and wait for next video. Thank you.